bee, ant, mosquito, earthworm, housefly, butterfly, etc. Animals have different colors like dove, fox, buffalo, grasshopper. Grasshopper is green in color, buffalo black in color, fox reddish brown in color, dove also grayish or white in color. So they are different in their colors. Animals have streaks. Some animals have streaks on its body like tiger, zebra. Some animals have spots like a leopard, deer, giraffe. Spots कैसे होते हैं? Let's see. ऐसे डॉट जैसे होते हैं अलग अलग शेप के, उसके अंदर भी बिंदी होती है तो उसको स्पॉट्स बोलते हैं उसकी बॉडी पर। लेपर्ड में आपने देखा होगा, डियर में, जिराफ में भी ऐसे स्पॉट्स उनकी स्किन पर दिखाई देंगे। बर्ड्स हैव कलरफुल फैदर्स। फैदर्स जिसके कलरफुल है, ऐसे बर्ड्स किंगफिशर, पीकॉक, they have different colors in their feathers. Colorful wings. Butterfly have colorful wings. Now let's study the exercise. Question 1. Name these animals. Number 1. The biggest land animal is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. The tallest land animal is G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. The largest water animal is W-H-A-L-E. Whale. The spotted animal D-E-E-R. Deer. Animal with stripes T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Question 2. Pick the right word. A buffalo is white or black in color. Buffalo is there, so mostly it is black in color. So we make it mark on a black. The zebra or horse has strips. Zebra has strips. So we make it mark on a zebra. Butterfly or housefly has colorful wings. Colorful wings word is there. So butterfly has colorful wings. So we choose it and make tick mark. Parrot is white or green in color. Parrot is green in color. Rat or hippopotamus is small animal. Small word is given. So rat is small animal. Question number 3. Answer this. 1. Name any 2 small animals. Small animals there. So we are going to write R-A-T rat, C-A-T cat. Name any 2 very small animals. Very small word is here. So we are writing B-E-E-B-A-N-T ant. Name 2 animals having streaks. T-I-G-E-R, tiger, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Name 2 animals having different colors. D-O-V-E, dove, F-O-X, fox. Name animal having colorful wings. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly. Butterfly has colorful wings. Then learn and write in your notebook. Let's read the lesson. Chapter 5. Shapes, sizes and colors of animals. Learning point. Different shapes, sizes and colors of animals. Animals are of different shapes. Animals are of different sizes. Some animals are big, like horse, hippopotamus, whale, elephant, giraffe. They are big in size. The elephant is the biggest land animal. The giraffe is the tallest land animal.
The whale is the largest water animal. Next page. Some animals are small, like rabbit, cat, rat, pigeon. Some animals are very small, honeybee, ant, mosquito, earthworm. Some are of different colors, like dove, fox, buffalo, grasshopper. Look at the other animals also, they are different in colors too. Look at the rat, look at the cat, look at the rabbit, look at the pigeon. Animals are of different colors. Now you understand. Some animals have stripes. Zebra, tiger. You can see the black stripes on its body. Next page. Some animals have spots. Leopard, deer, giraffe. Look, leopard have black spots on its body. Deer have white color spots on its body. Giraffe has brown colored big spots on its body. Birds have colorful feathers. Kingfisher, peacock. Butterflies have colorful wings. Look at the wings of butterfly. Is it colorful or not? Yes, absolutely, it's colorful. Now I know. First, animals are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Second, animals like the elephant, whale, hippopotamus and giraffe are big animals. Third, animals like rabbit, cat and pigeon are small animals. Fourth, honeybee, ant and earthworm are very small animals. Fifth, animals like zebra and tiger have stripes. Sixth, animals like leopard and giraffe have spots. Seventh, birds have colorful feathers. 8. Butterflies have colorful wings. Next page. Summative assessment. Let's answer. First, the biggest land animal. As we know, it's elephant. ELEPHANT. Second, the tallest land animal. GIRAFFE, giraffe. Third, the largest water animal. WHALE, whale. Fourth, a spotted animal. DEER, deer. Other also, leopard, giraffe also. Fifth, animal with stripes, zebra, tiger. You can also write here. Question number 2. Tick the right word printed in bold. First, buffalo is white or black in color. As we know, buffalo is black in color. Second, the zebra or horse has stripes. Strips word is given, so zebra has spots, strips, and horse do not have strips. Butterfly or housefly has colorful wings. Colorful wings word is given, so butterfly has colorful wings, so we make tick mark on butterfly. Parrot is white or green in color. As we know, parrot is green in color, so make tick mark on green. Rat or hippopotamus is small animal. Small animal is there, so make a tick mark on RAT, rat. Question number 3, answer this. Number 1, name any 2 small animals. Example, RAT rat, CAT cat. Second, name any 2 very small animals. And honeybee, you can also write it bee also, only bee. Number 3, name 2 animals having stripes. Zebra, tiger. Fourth, name 2 animals having different colors. Dove, DOV, dove, FOX, fox. Number 5, name animal having colorful wings. Butterfly, BUTTER, butter, FLY, fly, butterfly. Next, formative assessment. Let's have fun. First, color the following pictures. a fish, a zebra. You can do it homework and fill the color. Question number 2. Take clay and try to make different animals shapes. This one is also homework for you. You just take a clay and try to make different shapes of animals. Number 3. I have a small plant in my name. Who am I? Let's find out. GRASS, grass. HOPPER, hopper. Grasshopper. It's an animal and also a small plant too. Because grass word is given, so grass is small plant, and word is making of grasshopper, it's an animal. Number 4. Fun and learn. Collect pictures of any 5 animals and paste them in your not a scrapbook, you can use your notebook.